Hello! What's up guys, it's me, obviously doing a random video of me talking about 4 years on YouTube. She's so smart. I look so basic. No, this is just a cup that my mom has. We just keep putting coffee in it. I am going to throw this straw out back. I am going to bury it, okay? It's not going in the trash. It will not hurt the turtles, I promise. So basically, I just told Lotus that today was like the 4 years I've been on YouTube, like today. Like today's the day. It is June 27th, 2016. It's 2015. June 27th, 2015, I uploaded my first video, which was a room tour. And it wasn't pretty. If you want to go check it out, go ahead. I don't advise it, but if you want to, I'll read you what Lotus said. This could be your month video too. Just put whatever videos but you have in one video and give an intro explaining how YouTube's been. It's been 4 years. That's exciting. I mean, like 4 years is a long time actually. It's been 4 years. I don't know what to say. I'm like blanking. I am going to put random clips in this, like just random stuff I have on my phone and that I tried to make a carrot cake. The lighting was crap. It was an ugly angle, so that video will never see the light of day. This coffee's freaking bomb. There's not even that much because like me and my mom and my dad drink it, but that's what this video will be, just random clips. And apparently, like, I'm gonna talk about how YouTube's been over the past 4 years. So when I first started, I was like, I'm gonna be a beauty YouTuber, I'm gonna do vlogs, I'm gonna do freaking like morning routines and back to school supply hauls, which I did do, but obviously they never came out as good as like Bethany Moda and like Think Up by Mandy and Alicia Marie and Lord DIY. So that's what YouTube was in 2015. We were just doing hauls, and now YouTube is you literally upload what you want. My channel does not have a specific thing that it is. It just is. It's just here. In the beginning, it was like what I said, like what 2015 Spectrum was, but now it's whatever I want. I upload what I want when I want, which isn't really a good thing, but it's cool at the same time. It's kind of gross, kind of good. Over the past 4 years, I have developed a coffee addiction. I use that word very lightly, take it with a grain of salt. I'm not legitimately addicted to coffee. I can live without it. I do drink it every day, most of the time. And if we don't have it, I'm not gonna like die. I do get kind of in a bad mood, but I will insert clips of me over the past 4 years slowly developing a coffee addiction. I also got braces. Oh Lord. Okay, I'll insert one picture of me without braces before I got them, and then I got braces and they slowly got better, and then here I am. I love my smile. That's probably my most favorite thing about me, is that I have straight teeth. That's it. Like, I love my smile. It was a really expensive smile, so I better love my smile, you know what I mean? So I love my smile. I really love coffee now. I have straight teeth. I do my makeup way better. I will not insert anything of me with my makeup before. If you have seen it, if you have been subscribed since then, you know that my eyebrows then versus now is just so much better. They're not perfect, but they're way better than before. I used to be all like colorful. I used to have a purple room. Hey guys, so today that's literally all I'm willing to show. I can't look at it any longer. I'm okay. If my first YouTube video, it's my room tour. It was purple, it had zebra, it was a girly room. I was girly 4 years ago, kind of. I was like slowly like tomboyish. I have been like a tomboy since I was like in 5th grade, but like it seriously developed in like 10th grade. 10th grade I was like, you know what, this is who I am. I'm not gonna say I'm emo. I just gave off those vibes. Music over the years highly changed. I'm gonna look back at myself sitting here and being like, ew, why did you make that video? It's disgusting. I want to die. It's so bad. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't really know what it is. I don't know what it's gonna end up being, but I am going to make some type of collage thing of me slowly becoming more me. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Erica, and hey guys, so it's me, obviously. What's up guys, it's me, obviously. Too Young by Post Malone. I've been loving me some Post Malone lately. You're not only light you off my mind. Oh my god, I want to cry. Please don't cry, you're wasting your time. If it's curly, but I'm kidding.
She's not thinking about that.
Oh, I already did. It grows back. Carly said. After we're like, oh my god.
That's like the pack bag.
This is me. I literally threw him out of my room this morning because he wouldn't stop in the tree. These are small spoons, so I'm gonna do like extra, you know? Oh my god, it's the best coffee I've made this week. Yeah. Then I have my coffee. I just like kind of see it in my head and I just want to like punch him already.
She has a problem. I'm trying to help her. That is a full thing of coffee, not a half. She lied to the viewers.
Not too fast. Okay, go.
Oh, I'm talking about my wisdom teeth. So basically, it wasn't fun. I would do my braces experience so far again, but I don't want to do that one again. It hasn't really changed that much. I still have the same size rubber bands. I'm gonna miss my braces. To be a braces update, everything you need to know about braces struggles video, or this is so weird. And I hope you guys like this video and comment down below. Okay, thanks for answering. Bro, my hair still smells good. With herbal essences, it smells like butt. But with Dove, girl, you gotta always get Dove.
What are you doing, Pack?
Hey, he's back.
Desire.
Do you hate it?
What now? Jeez! Did you get all that mail, Pack? Did you get it? Did you get it good?
Did I get it good?
Yeah.
There's hair sticking to my chapstick.
Does it look like it now?
What are you doing?
I said, does it look like it now?
Are you
It
like
was just
sucking
sitting
these?
in the back and I just picked it up and I do it.
You're going to the freeway? Keep going.
Or Guy Fieri went, yeah.
No, like, try kicking it like you guys kicking it.
What is it? Get on my face. Fuck. And of course my other knee hurts too. But a person can't wear 2 knee braces. It's weird. So, I'm screwed.
I fell asleep, but I don't regret it.
Bro! I mean like, ow. It hurts. Like,
I'm actually crying over a fucking cat video.
this again tomorrow. You want to take a picture of me?
Oh, baby, baby, baby.
What? It's on the bottom of our oven. So we're watching Cake Boss, and I saw carrot cake cupcakes, and I was like, carrot cake, and then Pumbaa was like, those were cupcakes, and I was like, yeah, carrot cake cupcakes, and then we realized we could have made carrot cake cupcakes. Link him over here. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So this end credit's gonna be really long because I need this video to be 10 minutes, and if you know why, you know why. So I'm gonna make this video 10 minutes, and this is how I'm gonna do it. So I'm just talking
to make this 10 minutes and not the end credits be so long because that's kind of annoying.